So I'm going to show you how to create a live event, a little webinar in Livestorm. So first of all, of course, you want to register with Livestorm, and on the free version, your live events can only go for 20 minutes and they can only have 10 people register. So let's just create a live event now. So this is a new event. What videos should consultants create? And I can select who is allowed to speak. I'm going to say it's only team members here. And I'm going to schedule the event. And I can have multiple sessions. So I could have an event happening every week, for example, at the same time. For me, it's only just me speaking, so it doesn't really matter. I can change the URL here. But now let's go and create that event. And a few things that are going to make it easy for you. The first one is you want to say really what is your event about. Here is where you really want to focus on the benefit of people watching whatever the webinar or presentation or training is about. Really try and make it more action focused. Okay, so you're going to know which videos to create to build your consulting business. So this is the big promise that I'm going to make in this event. And at the end of this training, I'm calling it training rather than a webinar, you'll know exactly what videos would be suitable for your YouTube channel. Who's allowed to speak? We've already seen that. Estimated duration, I'm going to say 30 minutes, but in reality, we've actually got a limit of 20 minutes. So it's very, very short training. Okay, really easy to digest. Now, a few other things that I need to show you. One is people can register for the event here. You can ask for some extra details here, but I'm not going to do any of that. And you can have a registration page. And now we can go into the event room, and here is where we can do things like have questions, so that depending on the length of your event, are you going to allow for a Q&A session? You're going to have polls and so on. Really depends on how long your event is going to go for. You can fix your design and you can play around with all of these buttons. But now this bit is really, really interesting, is the emails. So what I want to do is edit these emails right after registration. Hey, I'm going to change this email subject. What videos should consultants create? So in this one, this is a very generic email. This is a very generic email. Thank you for registering for our event. Okay, and what I'm going to do is change that content, edit the content, and make it much more action focused. Okay, so instead of thank you for signing up, you say you're in for the consultants videos training. Here we can I can fill that in, fill with default text. So hi there. And I'll say, instead of hi there, I'll say congratulations. Okay, and then you'll be able to connect to our consultants video using the button below. Here, once again, it's much more focused on them. I could do access event. I can keep that button the same, or else I could go and change that to say, but access event is not bad. Save updates. And then what I recommend you do is the same thing when it comes to your 1 hour reminder, preview or edit. Once again, tailor it. Hey, we're only an hour out from this event, this free training on da-da-da. Okay, and then 5 minutes out. And then once they've attended, you say, so how did you find it? The replay is on the way. So once again, for those who do show up for the event, we want to edit it, and we want to say, hey, you can watch the replay. You say, here's the replay. Thank you for attending. Hope you found it helpful. What's your next step? Something like that is really very much action focused. Okay, that's fine. And then you've got a watch replay. Nice, easy button there. And for those who missed it, hey, did you miss that event? No worries. We're sending you the replay anyway, and then you can add some other emails in. Right, so we've got some recording happening for the event. Okay, enable recording. Only people who register can access that recording. And we're going to get the recording from the live event itself. And so now the next thing is we actually want to go live with the event. So we go publish the event. and confirm publication. And what that means is that registration, I've now got a link which I can share on LinkedIn. I can share it over email. I can put it onto my website, wherever. I can go copy link and share that. And so in the next video, I'm going to go live and show you what that looks like.